All right, today we are diving deep into the big 2025/26 update for XM trading. We're going to cover how to get set up, how to pick the perfect account for your trading style, and most importantly, how to unlock some seriously powerful new tools. So if you're looking for an edge in the markets, you are in the right place.
So let me just start with one big question. What if you had an AI copilot right there inside your trading platform analyzing the market for you in real time? I know, it sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's actually one of the key features we're going to explore today.
Look, we only have about 5 minutes, so we're going to move fast. We're covering everything from creating your account all the way to using those advanced AI tools. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what to do to get up and running. First things first, let's get your account live. We've boiled this down to just 4 simple steps. Seriously, you can go from zero to trading in just a few minutes.
Okay, the process itself is super straightforward. You're going to want to start with a referral link. That'll get you some extra perks. But listen, the most important part here is step 2. You have to enter the partner code VVCB9. That's VVCB9. This is the key that unlocks the bonus offers. After that, it's just a quick identity check. That's the KYC part, which secures your account, and then you're all set to deposit some funds.
And speaking of depositing, this is where things get really interesting for new users. XM has this awesome incentive that's really designed to give your starting capital a huge leg up. It is a 100% deposit bonus. What does that mean? Well, XM will literally match whatever you put in first, up to $500. So if you deposit $500, you actually start trading with $1,000. It's an incredible way to double your trading power right from the get-go. Okay, so you're signed up, you're ready to deposit. Now comes a really important decision. Which type of account is the right one for you? Let's break down the options. Yeah, this definitely isn't a one-size-fits-all kind of deal. The best account for you really depends on your strategy, how much you're starting with, and what you care about most. Is it a bigger starting balance, or is it lower costs over the long run? So here's the breakdown. If you want that 100% deposit bonus we just talked about, you're going to choose the standard account. Simple as that. Now, if you're just starting out with a smaller budget, say $20 or $30, the micro account is perfect. It lets you trade with tiny position sizes. But if you're an active trader, someone who's in and out of the market every day, the ultra low account is probably your best bet. It has the tightest spreads, which just means your trading costs are way, way lower. So really, it all boils down to a pretty simple trade-off. You go with the standard account, you get more money to trade with upfront thanks to the bonus, but your trading costs, the spreads, are a little higher. Or you go with the ultra low account. No bonus, but you get the absolute lowest spreads on every single trade. And trust me, if you're a high-frequency trader, those lower costs add up fast and can make a huge difference to your profits. All right, you've picked your account. Now it's time to get some money in there and see what you can actually trade. Welcome to the trading arena. You've got a bunch of ways to fund your account, from the usual bank transfers to more modern stuff like UPI. But there's one method that really stands out for a very good reason. And here's a pro tip for you. If you want the absolute fastest processing time, crypto is the way to go. Using something like Binance Pay can often help you skip the delays that sometimes happen with traditional banks. It gets your money in your account and ready to trade so much faster. Once you're funded, the world is pretty much your oyster. You've got access to a massive range of markets. All the major Forex pairs, of course. Commodities like gold and oil. You can even trade stock CFDs, which means you can trade on the price of companies like Tesla or Nike without actually having to buy the stock. And on top of all that, they've got the top 50 crypto pairs, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. And the best part, you're doing all of this from a really clean, smooth terminal. Honestly, if you've ever used TradingView, you're going to feel right at home. Being able to just click once on the chart to place a trade makes everything incredibly fast and seamless. So you've got the basics down pat. But this next part, this is where XM really separates itself from the pack. Let's talk about the advanced tools that are going to give you a serious edge in the market. Look, any platform can let you click buy or sell. That's the easy part. But what about making smarter decisions? XM has built-in intelligence tools designed to do exactly that, and that's what we're jumping into right now. And here it is. This is the AI copilot we were talking about at the beginning. The feature is called Ask AI, and it's a bot that's built right into the platform. You can literally just ask it for market analysis in plain English. You can type, "What's the forecast for gold?" And boom, it gives you data-driven insights. It is an amazing tool for getting a quick second opinion or just sparking a new trade idea. And it's not just the AI. There are other power tools too. You can jump into trading competitions. and compete for real cash prizes. You can get a peek at market sentiment to see what way other traders are leaning. And you can even use copy trading to automatically mirror the moves of the platform's most successful traders. Whew, okay, we have covered a ton of ground in just a few minutes. The setup, the accounts, the tools. So that brings us to the big question. Is this the right platform for you? Let's wrap it all up with a final takeaway. So what does this all really mean for you? Well, XM's biggest strengths are how easy it is to get started, how flexible the account types are for every kind of trader, and of course, those advanced AI tools that can give you a real analytical edge. When it comes down to it, whether you're a total beginner who needs a micro account and that deposit bonus, or you're a seasoned pro who wants the absolute lowest spreads and AI analysis, this platform is built to handle a huge range of traders heading into 2026. And that leaves us with one final, pretty important question to think about. Right now, a tool like Ask AI is a massive advantage. But in the near future, is an AI copilot going to become something every single trader needs just to stay competitive? Something to chew on.